Hi Vogue, I'm Karlie Kloss, and I'm going to show you how to take your look from day to night. I don't know about you, but I personally find I'm constantly on the go, fixing my makeup in the back of a taxi cab, in a bathroom. I need a refresh, I need to touch up my skin. These are my favorite things to do. So quickly just take concealer under the eyes, around your nose, around your lips, anywhere you need is a quick fire way to really freshen your look. It's inevitable, kind of halfway through the day, your skin and your makeup is gonna need a touch-up. I like to use concealer over foundation because I don't like that cakey look on my skin. If I have an acne spot or really dark circles under my eyes, I'll just use a heavier concealer. So to lock in the concealer, take the powder and follow the same areas that your skin needs a little touch up. Whether it's winter, summer, spring, fall, my nose is always red. Really just being very concentrated in the areas that it needs. So I love to kind of add an eyeshadow stick on the lash line and smudge it in with my finger. It doesn't have to be perfect, that's kind of the point. This is a great tonal palette that I'm going to use on my eyes. I have very hooded lids, so I like to be very light with eyeshadow. Get right in the socket, blend it out if you have too much. I like to keep my brow bone more clean and even to use a touch of highlighter. Swipe that across the brow bone. Also, you can use highlighter on your nose. I like to use highlighter on my Cupid's bow. Now I'm gonna pump it up and open my eye with a nice mascara. Get it as close to the lash line as possible, wiggle it into the lashes, and then swipe it out. If you don't have makeup remover, there's nothing better than good old spit to kind of clean up that mess. I love using waterproof mascara because it doesn't transfer as much. You know when you look in the mirror halfway through the night and you realize you have mascara everywhere and no one has told you? That is the worst. Good friends will tell you, or at least they should. I love to have a nice natural lip, and so I love to use a lip liner that's the shade of my lips. I always cheat my lip shape a little bit. I will overdraw the upper lip and really just fill in and give a nice full shape. And then I always like to add a little bit of flush to the cheeks. You can use a lipstick, you can use a cream blush, anything to kind of just add a touch of color. I'm gonna finish my day to night look with a little white liner on the inside of the lash line. I like to do it just as a way to open the eye and freshen up your look, especially at the end of the day. The final thing is a spritz of face mist, and it kind of is a fresh, revitalizing, wakes you up, and now I'm ready to go.